Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of New Relic and Grafana Labs, the company behind Grafana. Both platforms help developers and DevOps teams understand what's happening inside their systems, detect problems quickly, and improve performance. But which one is better in 2026? Let's compare them. First up, we'll talk about New Relic. New Relic is a cloud-based observability platform designed to monitor applications, infrastructure, and user experience in one unified system. Originally known for application performance monitoring or APM, the platform has evolved into a full-stack observability solution that allows teams to monitor everything from back-end servers to front-end user interactions. The core idea behind New Relic is simple. Bring all telemetry data, from metrics, logs, traces, and events into one centralized platform. Let's talk about Grafana. Grafana is developed by Grafana Labs and originally started as an open source visualization tool. Over time, it has evolved into a complete observability ecosystem. Today, Grafana provides tools to monitor metrics, logs, traces, infrastructure, Kubernetes environments, applications, performance testing, and so on. The main difference is that Grafana takes a more modular and open source approach. So instead of forcing users into one ecosystem, Grafana connects to multiple data sources, allowing teams to visualize and analyze data from different monitoring systems in a single dashboard. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with New Relic. Application Performance Monitoring, also known as APM. This is New Relic's flagship feature. APM allows developers to monitor application performance in real time and quickly identify slow database queries, bottlenecks, or code errors. It also supports distributed tracing so that teams can track requests across microservices. Next is Infrastructure Monitoring. New Relic can monitor servers, containers, Kubernetes clusters, cloud infrastructure as well. It provides real-time visibility into CPU usage, memory usage, network activity, and system health. Log management. Logs from applications and servers can be automatically collected and correlated with metrics and traces, helping teams identify issues faster. AI-powered observability. New Relic includes AIOps capabilities, which use machine learning to detect anomalies and reduce alert fatigue. This helps teams focus only on critical incidents. Digital Experience Monitoring. This feature tracks how users interact with websites and mobile apps, helping companies understand performance from the customer's perspective. Now let's talk about Grafana, the main features. Powerful dashboards. Grafana is widely known for its beautiful and highly customizable dashboards. Teams can create real-time visualizations that combine multiple data sources in a single interface. Metrics monitoring. Grafana integrates tightly with monitoring systems like Prometheus to collect and analyze system metrics. This makes it extremely popular for monitoring Kubernetes and cloud-native systems. Logs and traces. Grafana Cloud includes tools such as Loki for log aggregation and Tempo for distributed tracing. These tools allow teams to monitor complex distributed systems. Alert and incident management. Grafana includes advanced alerting capabilities and incident response tools that helps teams quickly react to problems. Synthetic monitoring. Grafana can simulate API calls and user interactions to test systems reliability before users experience problems. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. For New Relic, there's a free tier where you can start for free, a standard plan, a pro plan, and an enterprise plan. Now the prices are not visible on the website, but you can request for a pricing by clicking the button underneath each plan. And for Grafana, it's clearly stated there's the free plan at $0, a pro plan at $19 per month, and an enterprise plan at $25,000 per year. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For New Relic, it has an all-in-one observability platform. It's easy to set up and deploy. It has powerful APM capabilities, AI-driven insights and automation. and large integration ecosystem. How about the pros of Grafana? Highly customizable dashboards, strong open source ecosystem, and it works with many different data sources. How about the cons? For New Relic, it can become expensive as data usage grows, and the pricing depends heavily on data ingestion. It's also less customizable than open source platforms. And the cons for Grafana? It has a steeper learning curve for beginners, and some advanced features require additional tools. So having considered all this, which is best in 2026? Is it New Relic or Grafana? Well, here is a simple answer. I'd say choose New Relic if you want simplicity and an all-in-one monitoring solution. On the other hand, choose Grafana if you want flexibility and control over your observability stack. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Datadog, Dynatrace, and Elastic Observability. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.